This is Kokota Blamanzi insizwa kamathebula. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Thokozani bokoko, thokozani bomkhulu. Oh my gosh, oh my gosh, oh my gosh, oh my gosh, oh my goodness. It's been a while. And as you know, bokoko na bomkhulu kuthi impilo yemntwana welidloti iyahlupha bokoko. Not necessarily ukuthi ihlupha in a bad way or what, but there are a lot of things that you need to learn. There are a lot of things that you need to do kuleli hambo, so you just can't be sitting around and be doing videos all day long. But kuna some certain things and rituals that you need to do as well, okuthandaza, kuzila and whatnot. So I've been busy and I'm still gonna be busy, so I thought kuti just for today ngithathe ilanga lanamuhla and sikhulume ngesithunywa. So bokoko nabomkhulu, how do you know ukuthi unesithunywa? I know ukuthi I've done a lot of videos about this, but I thought of noting some things down that I did not talk about. So watinjani ukuthi unesithunywa? Now unesithunywa bokoko nabomkhulu, the basic things are that you're gonna dream of yourself flying. Utotibona undiza, flying on the sky. Ubona the world usetulu wena umhlaba, ubona everything la emhlabeni, and you can see everything clearly, whether be it ngathini undiza ebusuku, but your vision is so clear, like uma mehlo akho ayakhanyisa, ayabona. And then you are gonna like utotiphupha utuke fly machine, utotiphupha utuke ndiza machine, uflyer, maybe going to a certain country or whatnot, or maybe in that dream utotiphupha uya kulenye country, maybe going to attend a crusade or whatnot. And then you are going to dream like utotiphupha ucula, and then now ucula bandu baya blesseka with your voice. And then utotiphupha upreacher, utotiphupha utuke podium on the altar, ulona upreacher ukhuluma ngani ngeligama la kaNkulunkulu, ukuthi uNkulunkulu usona uNkulunkulu did this, uNkulunkulu can do this and that. Angakuthi uyobukhuluma ngani, but whatever that you're gonna be preaching about will be involving Jehovah Jireh. So utobe upreacher, and you in that dream utobona bandu baphuma amadimoni, some being blessed and some maybe bebangahambi basukuma bahamba in that dream. So that shows you the power that you have within you. That shows you ukuthi unemandla, unesithunywa, and isithunywa sakho sokuthandazela abantu, sokupreacher. Utoba mthandazi, utoba ngimake mfundisi, utoba ngibabe mfundisi. Kuyokosa ukuthi ngalelinye ilanga, the sooner the better you realize this, and you're gonna start your own church. Yes, ngathi wonke umuntu nyalo unesithunywa, wonke umuntu unedloti, but no, the thing ukuthi if niyabuka la ngaphandle bokona bomkhulu, masondo angcolile, bafundisi nyalo sebapheka abantu, tokutshela ukuthi udeliver umuntu, umfaka amatamatisi, umdlisa tshani, umyini yini kona lokho. But uNkulunkulu already uprepare abantu abakhe, and abantu abakhe sesikhathi sifikile ukuthi basukume bayende emsebenzi le uNkulunkulu abathume wona, not this false whatever. I'm not even gonna entertain that. Before ngiya ekutheni, you gonna dream of yourself uthandaza near the river. You're gonna dream of yourself praying near the river, or utotiphupha uthandaza on a mountain, or ehlathini, utotiphupha usehlathini uthandaza kunemakhandlela akho, utowabona clearly makhandlela akho. It might be white and yellow, it might be all the colors, or just white kuphela, kudependa ngalo moya lo uphethe wena. It's not gonna be the same as your friend or sibanibani or gogo sibanibani, remember kuthini, we are all different, and leti pure lesinato atifani bogogo nabomkhulu. Yes, kungaba kusithunywa, but lesithunywa si different, asifani bogogo. And then another thing, ungatiphupha uphakathi kwemandi uthandaza. Uphupha usempophomeni uthandaza, or i-waterfall, angakuthi ngingakubekela kanjani, but usemandini uyathandaza hayi kancane, moya uyavuka uyathandaza vele hayi kancane. Or sometimes kulelo liphupho utotiphupha unebantu khona lapha emandini, uyabathandazela, moya uyaphakama kubo, moya uyaphakama. Kukhomba kuthini, utohamba usebenze ngebantu, utohamba ulungise netiphiwo tebantu, bantu labadzinga kulungisela tithunywa and what not. So kukhomba lamandla lo nawo. And then utotiphupha ugcoke siphikha. That's why ngifake siphikha, kuthi utati kuthi ungubani, mandla akho lowaphethe. And siphikha sami nawe singaba sifana but ikhala ingafani, or I don't know, maybe sakho singaba sinema beads or singanama beads, or whatever the situation may be, but utotiphupha ufake siphikha, ugcoke liduku lakho, ngaba limhlophe, ngaba liyellow, whatever the color may be, but kukhomba kuthini, unesiphiwo sekuthi uhambe ube mthandazi, uhambe ube ngimake mfundisi, uhambe ulungiselele bantu tiphiwo tabo, ubaside, unemandla, mandla laphiwe nguNkulunkulu nebakini. So and then utotiphupha nani futhi, utotiphupha uphethe that praying stick, lona that stick le, the grey one, I mean the silver one or the gold one, lelona le design yakhona kungaba just a round, kungaba just yini, angathi maybe kungaba a star, angathi whatever le uNkulunkulu wami Messiah, whatever le madlozi akho atokukhomba yona, kumbe sithunywa sakho sikukhomba yona ukuthi yey ngifuna into leso, nginikete into leso. Ungahambi ubona abogogo nabomkhulu bosibanibani baphethe tinduku leti, so nawe usuyayinabela, nami ngifuna lele gold. Kanti no, sithunywa sakho sifuna induku le silver, even the height ayahlukahlukana, kunalala mancane, kunalala matse. So please pay attention to your dreams. Pay attention to your dreams kuthi bakukhomba ini, bakuvetela ini bogogo nabomkhulu, kuze ungalahleki kule ndlela. Makhosi ndawuwe shewe. Thank you. Thokozani bogogo, thokozani bomkhulu. Ngiyabonga. Yeah. I'm still gonna do some video nyana, and yeah, I hope you guys stay blessed and do not forget to pray. Thokozani, makhosi.